your neighbor, say, the Lord will change your name tonight. Oh, I didn't hear you shouting louder. The Lord will change your situation tonight. That situation that everybody know you about, that situation will leave you tonight. I said that situation will leave you tonight. If you believe that that situation will leave you, jump up and shout hallelujah. A certain man, because the man has a problem, he has a situation, he has a problem that was troubling him. Nobody cared to know his name. They were after his situation. But tonight, the Lord will change that situation and give you a testimony. The Lord will change that situation and give you a miracle. If you believe that today is another day of your miracle, jump up and shout, yeah, 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 yeah.